There's something truly special about the aroma of baking that fills every corner of your home, wrapping you in a cozy, comforting hug. It's a scent that instantly brings back memories of family gatherings, lazy weekend mornings, and the simple joys of home-cooked treats. And when that smell comes from a loaf of banana bread, it's pure happiness. The sweet, inviting fragrance of ripe bananas and warm spices is enough to make anyone's mouth water. Imagine slicing into a loaf that's even better than the one you buy at your favorite coffee shop. Homemade banana bread is moist, flavorful, and made just the way you like it. No fancy equipment or special skills required. Baking banana bread is a delightful adventure, and you get to be the star of the show. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, there's magic in every step. From mashing the bananas to mixing the batter and finally pulling a golden, fragrant loaf from the oven, every moment feels like a little celebration. It's almost as if you're creating a bit of magic with your own hands. The best part? You know exactly what goes into your banana bread. Simple, wholesome ingredients like ripe bananas, flour, eggs, and a touch of love. No preservatives, no mystery additives, just honest goodness. And when you share a warm slice with friends or family, you're not just offering a treat. You're sharing a moment of joy. Banana bread has a way of bringing people together, sparking smiles and laughter around the table. It's the perfect companion to a cup of tea or coffee, making any occasion feel a little more special. Whether it's breakfast, an afternoon snack, or dessert, banana bread fits right in. So, tie on your apron and gather your ingredients. This is your chance to create something wonderful from scratch, and you'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding it can be. When you finally taste that first slice, you'll see why homemade banana bread is so beloved. The flavors are rich, the texture is just right, and your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. This recipe is our little secret, a simple formula for a loaf that's bursting with homemade charm and flavor. It's a recipe you'll want to make again and again. Each bite is soft, moist, and packed with the natural sweetness of bananas. It's comfort food at its finest, perfect for sharing or savoring all to yourself. Even if you're new to baking, banana bread is a splendid place to start. The steps are simple, the results are impressive, and you'll gain confidence with every loaf. We'll guide you through each step, from prepping your ingredients to enjoying the finished loaf. You'll learn tips and tricks along the way to make your banana bread truly your own. Before you know it, you'll be a banana bread champion, impressing friends and family with your baking skills and delicious results. So, are you ready? Let's roll up our sleeves and bake something truly wonderful together. The magic of homemade banana bread is just a few steps away. First things first, let's get organized like a true baking pro. Before you even preheat the oven, take a moment to gather all your supplies and ingredients. This step might seem simple, but it's the secret to a stress-free, enjoyable baking experience. Lay out your mixing bowls, measuring cups, and spoons, and make sure your loaf pan is clean and ready to go. For our banana bread, the star of the show is, of course, the bananas. You'll want to use very ripe bananas. Look for ones with plenty of brown spots on the peel. The riper they are, the sweeter and more flavorful your loaf will be. These soft, sweet bananas are perfect for mashing. Their natural sugars will give your bread a rich, deep flavor and a moist texture that's hard to beat. You'll need 3 or 4 medium-sized bananas, depending on how much banana flavor you want. If you have a few extra, don't worry. More banana just means more deliciousness. Next, let's talk about the dry ingredients. Measure out 2 cups of all-purpose flour. This will give your loaf structure and help it hold together as it bakes. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. This little ingredient is what makes your banana bread rise and become light and fluffy instead of dense. Don't forget half a teaspoon of salt. It might seem like a small amount, but salt balances the sweetness and brings out all the other flavors. For a warm, cozy aroma, sprinkle in some ground cinnamon. About a teaspoon will do, but you can add a pinch more if you love that classic banana bread spice. For sweetness, use 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. This will help caramelize the crust and give your loaf a golden finish. Crack open 2 large eggs. Eggs are the glue that holds everything together, giving your bread a tender crumb and a bit of lift. Half a cup of unsalted butter, softened to room temperature, is essential. It adds richness and a melt-in-your-mouth texture. If you forget to soften it, just microwave it for a few seconds. Just don't melt it completely. Finally, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This little splash brings a fragrant, bakery-style aroma that makes your banana bread irresistible. And there you have it, your list of simple, wholesome ingredients. Each one plays a special role in making your banana bread moist, flavorful, and utterly delicious. Take a moment to arrange everything on your counter before you start mixing. This way, you won't be scrambling to find anything mid-recipe. Preparation is the key to a smooth, enjoyable baking process. Double-check your list, measure out your ingredients, and set them within easy reach. With everything ready and at your fingertips, you're set up for success. Let's move on to the next step and start turning these humble ingredients into a smashing loaf of banana bread. Every baker needs the right tools. Before you even preheat your oven or measure out your ingredients, it's important to set up your kitchen workspace. Having everything organized and within reach makes the baking process smoother and more enjoyable, especially when you're working with a recipe that has several steps. For this recipe, a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan is ideal. This size gives your bread the perfect shape and ensures even baking, so your loaf comes out golden and delicious every time. You can use either a metal or a glass loaf pan. Both work well, but keep in mind that metal pans tend to heat up a bit faster, while glass pans let you see the sides of your bread as it bakes. Next, gather a few mixing bowls. Having bowls of different sizes is helpful for separating your wet and dry ingredients, and for keeping your workspace tidy as you go. You'll want a large bowl for mixing the main batter, giving you plenty of room to combine everything without making a mess. And a smaller bowl is perfect for whisking together your dry ingredients, like flour, baking soda, and spices. Using 2 bowls helps ensure that your baking soda and cinnamon are evenly distributed throughout the batter, preventing clumps and giving your bread a consistent flavor. Measuring cups and spoons are essential for accuracy. Precise measurements make all the difference in baking, so take your time to level off each scoop. A sturdy fork is great for mashing bananas to the right texture. Smooth, but with a few small chunks for extra flavor in every bite. For creaming butter and sugar, you can use a whisk if you want to do it by hand, or an electric mixer if you prefer a quicker, fluffier result. A rubber spatula is perfect for scraping down the sides of your bowl, making sure you don't leave any batter behind. And don't forget to preheat your oven so it's ready when you are. Finally, have a wire cooling rack ready. This helps your bread cool evenly and prevents it from getting soggy on the bottom. With these tools set up and ready, your kitchen is now a workshop, perfectly prepared for baking success. Let's get started on making our batter. Aprons on. Let's make the batter. Preheat your oven to 350° Mars, 1 to 75° N. Grease and flour your loaf pan to prevent sticking. In a large bowl, cream soft butter and sugar until fluffy. Add eggs one at a time, mixing well. Stir in vanilla extract until creamy. In a smaller bowl, whisk flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and salt. This ensures even distribution of raising agents and spices. Mash ripe bananas with a fork, leaving some texture. Add mashed bananas to the butter mixture and stir gently. Combine with dry ingredients, mixing until just combined. A few lumps are fine, don't overmix. Pour the batter into the prepared loaf pan. Spread it evenly and tap the pan to remove air bubbles. Place the pan on the middle oven rack. Bake for 50-60 minutes until golden brown. Check with a skewer. It should come out clean. If not, bake a bit longer. Once done, let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes. This helps it set before removing. Now add your signature touch. Nuts like walnuts or pecans add crunch. Chocolate chips make it extra special. Fold them into the batter before baking. For a professional look, sprinkle demerara sugar on top. Or place banana halves on top for caramelized beauty. Experiment with spices like nutmeg or allspice. Add a splash of rum or extra vanilla for depth. Customize it to your taste. It's your creation. After cooling, release the loaf from the pan. Let it cool completely for clean slices. A warm slice is irresistible though. Use a serrated knife for neat cuts. Enjoy it plain or with butter, cream cheese, or honey. It's versatile for breakfast, tea, or dessert. Share your creation with friends and family. Watching them enjoy it is the best reward. You've created more than banana bread. You've made happiness. Well done on a cracking bake.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.